So welcome back on this Tuesday, 8 November live. Hope you're good. Welcome back. Thank you so much for all the people join. If you don't join the live, no worries. We can watch the live directly on the record tonight, and we post directly the record after. I was not too active last week because I work on my mindset, my psychology, and to grow better each day by days. And that's why I was not too active. So now I'm very active on the group, and I will give you today what is my advice for the week, my advice for the month, and my advice and what we can take advantage on the trading, and what is the best way to be profitable traders, and what is the best way to understand how the market works, because that's why you subscribe. So tonight I will speak about the move on the USD, and after I will speak on 10 minutes before the ending of the live about the psychology and how to improve your psychology and how to improve your skill on the trading day by day. So let's talk about this trade. I catch this trade with one members during the New York session. This trade it's a 130 risky one, but I risk 0.5 on this trade. So honestly, I make like 20% of return investment. So it's very good trade, the nice trade to catch and beginning the week. Remember, we are on the higher time frame perspective. We are always bearish, right? Just the price creates some liquidity at the moment before the CPI news and before the Fed. No pivot on the Fed, no reverse on the Fed intervention. So we have always on FOMC with rise the interest rates. So we have always on the USD domination. It's just a pullback to spike all the liquidity below, and after we can catch another sell and another short on the bearish continuation. The target for the USD will be here, because this is the last monthly highs from the September highs. So this is my target for the highs. The price just targeting my previous monthly October, so my previous monthly highs. Remember, the price must to mitigate the previous daily highs, previous weekly highs, and previous monthly highs and low. It's totally normal, because this is the target. And for the algorithm, you can see the price just took out my previous ascent high and my previous monthly high. Remember what I said? I said when the price grab major liquidity, we can expect a major move, and that's what price did during the NFP and during the FOMC news. So I catch the one good trade. I will explain step by step while I catch this trade, and you will understand why it's not difficult to catch this trade day by day. People fail in the trading because people fail because they took so many trades, they don't accept the losses, and they don't stick on the plane. So I will speak about that on the psychology was at the end of the video. So why I took this trade? Remember, all the time I trade during the New York session. I don't trade during New York because on the London session I prefer to do other things, because on the London session is not a lot of liquidity provide, and I prefer the movement on New York. I'm going on my chart before 30 minutes before the New York session, because we have the magic timing at 8:30, and before this timing we have the inducement and we have the fast movement. So what the price did what I can expect if you switch on 1 minute. On 1 minute we have some equal highs on the create, and lot of traders thinking the price will continue to go lower, because we have the break of structure and price. A lot of people thinking, wait, yes, we can take position here, and we take the short, and we continue to go lower to this low. But in fact not, because what the price did, the price creates some liquidity above this as a high, and this is the liquidity pool, and the price not mitigates this liquidity pool, and this is your previous daily high. So we have two confirmation to take a trade. So what I can take this trade with only 3 pips stop loss. I took on my 1 minute time frame, I switched directly on my 1 minute time frame, and I took this low and this high created, and give me my equilibrium price, right? So this is my premium price, and this is my discount price, and this is my premium price area. Remember, algorithm buy on the premium price and a short on the discount price. That's why the price did. But on the first thing, the price coming back on the 50% of the equilibrium before it spike on the high, because we have liquidity, we have some equal highs at this level, and we have some equal highs to here. And what the price did, the price coming back, create a retracement, and build up some liquidity here. You can see the price build up liquidity. Remember, like I said, the price went to build up liquidity, mitigate. So after he built up liquidity, he prepared the liquidity for the magic timing during the New York session. And you can see at 8:30, we have the magic move. This is the first entry because this is a risky entry, because you don't know if the price will want to go lower. But in fact, what the price did, the price creates some liquidity with this little wick. You can see this is a little wick, it creates some liquidity. And the price must to mitigate a POI, a valid POI, create a break of structure and have imbalance. This is a good POI, but it didn't create a liquidity above. And you can see price creates some liquidity here and mitigate this little OB. This OB was available on 2 minutes and 1 minute, and coming back on the 50% of this little POI, and after the price explode. The second confirmation entry was here. Same things, price create a breakout structure, we have liquidity above, and the same things here. We have 1, 2, 3 confirmation possible at every New York session and every London session. But in fact, I'm speaking about the New York session. So after the price grabs this liquidity from inducement low, because this is not inducement high, because this is inducement low, because we want to take a buy. So he induce the sellers, he create the false information of the movement, and after he explode. And what the price targeting on the first? Price targeting my previous daily high, and after he targeting my previous daily high, he targeting my final target. Every time the EURUSD made a 100 pips, not more, but 120 pips maximum, and he creates some 2 standard deviation, and after the price reverse and create the retracement at 50% of the equilibrium. So I will take my FIB level and then we put on the 50%, and perhaps the price want to go here, and then we see. This is my target, this is my TP for my second entry on the retracement entry, and my target for the before the CPI will be here. So perhaps the price for tomorrow will be another drop, and after we can create a reversal on the higher time frame perspective, because it fill all the imbalance on the higher time frame, and after create another movement during during Thursday and distribution on Friday. Because that's what I can expect. So that's why the trade was not difficult to trade. I took this trade with 1 members. Thank you so for this guy coming and just give me a message. If you want to trade together, we can trade together. And that's it. I just take 1 trade and overtrade on the retracement, and that's it for my week. I don't want to trade every day, and that's what I'm speaking now. Why you fail on the trading? Number 1, overtrading. I will not speak about the strategy, because strategy is improved day by day. You over leverage. Number 2 is over leverage. Number 1 is overtrading. Number 2 is over leverage. Number 3 is no confidence on your trade. Number 4 is moving your stop loss and don't follow your plan. Number 5, we don't repeat, and you don't repeat the 4 things and you fail. The trading is not difficult. Trust me, I failed a lot on the past, and I fail because I don't understand why is the mindset to have. And one said the mindset of the strategy you must do, and the mindset to understand when you broke, because a lot of people are broke because about the trading, and I was too, and thought it was the strategy, all the secret sauce or everything like that. No secret sauce, no magic, just price action. Remember, strategy, trading never change every day. The just change you can make is your mindset and understanding and respect your plan. My new plan is don't trade Monday and Friday, because I just want to trade like 2 days a week. Because on 2 days a week, I can make a lot of money. I can make like a lot of money on 1 year's salary. That's why you must understand. If you stick on this plan if you don't catch every pairs, if you don't catch every movement, if you trust the social media things, you can make profitable. Don't watch the social media, because social media like Instagram or things is perfectly, for myself, is not the reality of the trading. But you have good traders too. But remember, when you understand the strategy, if you are not profitable at the time, is your psychology. I was not profitable in the past because it was my psychological problem. And all I've been serious psychological. Sometimes I fail, sometimes I win. This is the trading. Sometimes you have loss, sometimes you have win. You can have 100 win rates. It's possible, but I don't know a lot of traders made 100 percent winning rate. But if you fail, it's just about all the things I spoke, overtrading, revenge, FOMO, and if you are on these things today, you must to understand and you must to change the direction of your mind. That's all you can make profitable day by day. Because if you stay broke, if you think this is the trading, it's just for chance of people have a chance of the trading, leave the trading. If you don't take any risk in your life, don't take any, don't go into trading. You must to be motivated day by day. You must to understand the trading is the right action to make day by day. You must to be disciplined. You must to go on the sport. You must to be good, have good lifestyle, to be focused on 1-2 hours maximum. This is the over aspect of trading and profitable trader. You must to trade 1 or 2 hours maximum. I trade only at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. That's it. Because I know the major movement is at 2 hours maximum. On the past, I trade a lot. If I lost, I'm going on my chart again and revenge again and again and again. And trust me, you will not be profitable with that. You will just lose your money day by day, by couple minutes, by couple hours, and you can fail all the gains, all the profit you made on 1 year or more. That's the key to be profitable is that. Trust me, on this group, I will not give you the secret sauce, because never secret sauce, never thinking you become profitable with a new strategy on the Mars, on the moon is not true. This is just marketing. So trust me about the price action. Trust me about the liquidity above. Trust me about the algorithm. A lot of good traders made that. A lot of good traders made this strategy. And that's what I watch on my time. And that's what I watch with my backtesting experiences every day. If you want to be a doctor, you must to have 10 years of study. If you want to become profitable traders, you must to be and you must to work hard every day. Right? So if you have any question at the moment, I will reply of the question. You can ask me a question you want. Of course, this live will be recorded and I will post directly on the night or perhaps tomorrow. So sorry for that. Yeah, for the moment, remember the price. Just create inducement, just create liquidity above a POI, mitigate, and create the continuation of the movement. And create a new movement for the month. But remember, we are on the bearish continuation for the moment. So this is a retracement for me, a strong retracement. And remember, deep retracement will give you the higher time frame perspective and respect the higher time frame movement. So for the moment, we're watching on this OB. I'm watching on this POI because this POI is valid. We have imbalance, break the structure, and we will see after. So I'm waiting another movement, and after the CPI news, if the CPI news is high, we expect the price will continue to go lower, and took this as a high, and took this as a low, and took this as a low too. Same things for the GBP/USD, same things for the gold. So let's see what's happened for Thursday. Of course, we must to adapt. If you have any confirmation for the long, we going on the long. We taking advantage of the long. So every day you must to adapt. But trust me, trade less, earn more. This is the cap, the maximum habit. You must to stick on this plane. And trust me, if you stick on this plane, because in the past I never have any plane. Your plan is your plan, okay? It's not my plan. If you want to trade London, you can trade London. If you want to trade New York, you can trade New York. If you want to trade the Asia session, you can trade the Asia session. So the best way to be profitable traders is to understand first how the market works, but the second thing is the most important, and I think is the first, how to build your serious mindset and your psychology about the risk management, money management, and to be on this survival game. Okay, guys. If you have any question, I will pause this live just after. This live will be just 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes is good to have all this information about the USD move. So what the market did today. So price just coming back on the 50% of the equilibrium price after the price created some liquidity above the POI and build up the liquidity, mitigate and create the big movement. Took out my previous daily high and took out my previous monthly high and my previous highs and high, and that's why all the algorithm works and all the markets work. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this live. I will post this live after. If you have any question, you can ask any question directly on the group. Sorry, sometimes I'm not too active on social media. I cut the social media sometimes. So if you have any question, you can ask directly on the group and I'll reply fast I can. Thank you so much for watching this live and see you soon. Wish you a profitable week. Don't jump too early on the trade. Don't be the FOMO if you have not a good trading week. Stop your trading week and you can have more opportunity tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this live and see you soon, guys. Thank you.